Welcome! Today we are practicing the Take an Interview task, a fast-paced challenge that tests your ability to respond to a speaker instantly. Remember, there is no preparation time for these questions, so you must think quickly and speak as naturally and fully as possible to demonstrate your fluency. If you found these tips helpful for your exam prep, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Volunteer Center Briefing. This audio takes place during a volunteer center briefing. Mentally prepare to hear vocabulary related to service and campus registration processes. A coordinator explains how to join community service projects on campus. A coordinator will be explaining how to join various projects. Listen for a professional yet encouraging tone as they provide specific instructions to students. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. You should sign up for the beach project this weekend. To master the sentence, focus your memory on the specific beach project and the time frame this weekend. Ensure you stress the phrasal verb sign up clearly to show the required action. Please pick up an application form at the desk. Visualize the physical location at the desk to help you remember the object, which is the application form. Be sure to link the words pick up together smoothly without a gap. If you need a certificate, please ask the volunteer coordinator today. This sentence contains a conditional if clause. Use a slight rising intonation on certificate before the pause. Pronounce the compound noun volunteer coordinator as one continuous unit and emphasize today. The weekly orientation for new volunteers starts at room 24 at 3:15. Numbers are the highest priority here. Anchor your memory on room 24 and the time 3:15. Use a distinct falling intonation at the end of the sentence to sound conclusive and accurate. All volunteer hours must be recorded on this website. Put strong vocal stress on the modal must to convey the rule. You must also be careful to clearly pronounce the ed-en ending in the word recorded, so it doesn't sound like a different tense. Please do not wear sandals during the outdoor cleaning event. Listen closely for the negative do not to avoid changing the meaning. Maintain a steady rhythm through the long phrase outdoor cleaning event, ensuring each syllable is audible. The volunteer center is inside the student activity building. Focus on the preposition inside to correctly describe the relationship between the volunteer center and the student activity building. Keep your speech fluid by grouping these nouns together. In the listen and repeat task, your focus should always be on the natural rhythm and flow of the sentence. Do not panic if you miss a minor word. Instead, prioritize clear pronunciation and a confident delivery of the main ideas. Consistent practice with sentence chunking will significantly improve your memory and score.